This woman went from beautiful long blonde hair to a 6-inch mullet. Here's exactly how it happened. A woman named Jackie came into our hair extension store with gorgeous long blonde hair. She wanted pink and purple extensions, but instead decided to color her own hair pink. A few weeks later, she came back with black hair. She said the pink felt too childish and the black looked classier. Fair enough. She bought a few purple clip-in extensions for a pop of color and left happy. 6 months later, she walked back into my store. My heart sank. I barely recognized her. Instead of long, beautiful hair, she had about 6 inches of broken hair sticking out all over her head. It honestly looked like a mullet. "Jackie, what happened?" She told me she wanted to go blonde again. Her stylist first used a color remover to strip out the black. That only got her to a reddish brown color. Then the stylist did a heavy foil to remove the rest of the black. The problem? Neither one realized Jackie's hair had already been highlighted before it was dyed black. So her hair had been highlighted, dyed black, color stripped, and heavily bleached. Some of it snapped off while the foils were being removed. The rest continued breaking off over the next several days. Jackie was in tears. The good news is we were able to help. We matched her with Vision Select K-tip hair extensions and referred her to an excellent local stylist. The extensions filled in all the missing hair while her natural hair recovered. Since hair grows about 6 inches a year, she'll probably wear extensions for about 2 years while everything grows back. A week later, Jackie stopped back in. She wasn't crying anymore. She was smiling. Her confidence was back, and she looked absolutely beautiful. What did we learn from Jackie's story? Hair doesn't usually break because of one mistake. It breaks because of several chemical services layered on each other. Always tell your stylist everything you've done to your hair, even if it was months or even years before. And if your hair has already been damaged, don't panic. There are ways to restore your confidence while your natural hair grows back. Hair extensions can absolutely restore beautiful length and fullness. I'm Lynn from Vision Hair Extensions. If you want to master hair extensions with professional techniques, expert tips, and real-world troubleshooting, subscribe and watch this next video.